Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning some running man variations. So if you've not done the running man before, I've linked this video up at the top. Go and check it out. So the first move we're going to learn is called a front step, and it looks like this. Step and step, switch, step and step, switch, step and step. Okay, this is a really good move for changing directions or just helping you find your groove. So following from behind, we're gonna first go step forward as if we're coming into a running man, and then we're going to hop on the balancing leg and we're going to drag the foot back again. So let's just get used to that movement. We're gonna come up, step, jump, drag back. So you're constantly playing with this hop and drag back, hop and drag back. Okay, now to switch, we're gonna come into a single running man and switch. And then from here we change direction and switch. Change direction and switch, change direction. Let's go a little bit faster. We're gonna go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And like I said, you can play around with this move by just staying on one leg, right leg at the front, and then I can switch to my left and just keep the left at the front and switch. So having a look at the front step from the front, as I said, you can switch legs, stick to the same leg, or even go around in a circle with it. So you've got to get used to that hopping and dragging, okay? And this is what's gonna give it that nice grounded feeling. Your weight for this move is always in the center, so never too far forward or too far back. When you're on your balancing leg, again, the weight's through the middle, and when you come down, your weight stays through the middle, comes back to your balancing leg, and through the middle again. So this move is perfect to set us up for the next move, which is going to be the wide running man. Okay, so how do we do this move? Exactly the same as a regular running man. So we're here with a regular, okay? And now all we're gonna do is begin to take it wide. Take it wide, okay? So following from behind, normal running man, and now take it wide. Take it wide. Normal running man again, and take it wide. Take it wide. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we've got a few variations there. Let's look at how we can put all of them together. Again, following from the back, let's start off with 4 running men. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and front step. 2 again, 3, 4. Take it wide. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 2, 3, 4. Take it wide. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so there we have a few variations of the running man. Let's look at the next few. Now, these ones are a little bit more challenging, but again, when broken down, just as simple. The first one is a Malaysian step. So I'm going to teach you 2 variations on how to do this. The first version is really simple. It's just a matter of stepping. And when you step, you want to go across yourself, making sure that you've got a nice bend in your knees and you're pushing your hips back. You want to get quite low for this move, okay? So kind of down here. You're going to step back, forward again, and switch, back, forward, and switch. So you always start at the front, you take it to the back, you come back to the front again, and then you switch. Now you're at the front on the opposite leg, take it to the back, return to the front, and switch. So following from behind, it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So start to get your arms involved. I like to do almost these round waves with my arms just to match my movements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, so as my leg goes down, I push down with it, just following the flow. The second version of the Malaysian step is very similar to a padi bure. So if you've done this move before in house dance, okay, it is very similar to that. So this is how we do it. We're gonna step to the front, we take it back, and then we padi bure to the front, to the back, padi bure. Okay, so step, back, and then we take it back, forward. All right, and step, back, okay, take it back, step forward. Okay, so following from behind, we're gonna go to the front, to the back, padi bure, to the front, to the back, Party bourrée to the front, to the back. Party bourrée to the front, to the back. Party bourrée. So play around with both versions, see which one feels good for you, and then try it out in your flow. The next move we're gonna look at is a back step, okay? And it's just simply taking the running man into a reverse. So I'm gonna start off by doing 3 running man, and on the 4th count, I'm gonna do a back step. So we're gonna go, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, a back step, for those that aren't familiar, is your back leg will come up as if you're about to do a forward running man, but instead of going forward, you're just gonna shoot it back again. Okay, so let's play with that. Right now I've got my left leg at the front, right leg behind me. I'm gonna come up and shoot it back. Come up and shoot it back. Come up and shoot it back. A few more times, a bit faster. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now let's do 3 forward. We're gonna go and 1, and 2, and 3. And now we're gonna do it on the opposite leg. We're gonna go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so it's just like doing a running man, but in reverse. So let's practice 3 forward, 1 back, 3 forward, 1 back. Okay, so starting 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, take it back. 1, 2, 3, take it back. And 1, 2, 3, take it back. 1, 2, 3, take it back. And again, my weight is always through the center when I'm doing my reverse step. Spend some time practicing that one because it's just gonna make you feel much more confident when it comes to the reverse air kick. And that looks like this. So we're gonna go reverse air, reverse air, reverse air, reverse. Okay, let's talk about what a reverse air kick is. So if you've done the SpongeBob move before, it's very similar to that. If you haven't seen what that is, this is the SpongeBob. Push and push and push and push. Okay, so it's the same movement, but we're taking it in reverse. The idea is that you meet in the middle and then you push to separate leg from leg. And then you meet back in the middle and push to separate. So we do the same thing now, just in reverse. So with our reverse air kick, we're going to meet in the middle, and then the leg that we're balancing on is gonna shoot forward as we kick back. Okay, and then we're gonna hop onto the front leg again and push back. Okay, I'm gonna hop onto my leg that's in the air now. Hop, back. Okay, hopping onto my back leg. Hop, push back. Hop, push back. Hop, push back. Hop, push back. And when I kick down towards the floor because this is gonna keep me balanced and in control of my movement. Push and push and push. Remember, keep your chest open here. Don't lean forward or hunch. You wanna stay well balanced and in line with your balancing leg. Hop and push. Again, my posture is always good here. I got my shoulders back, my chest is open, my head is up, and this keeps my balance. And push, and push, and push. Okay, let's now incorporate that into our running man. So we're gonna go forward for 4 and back for 4. Okay, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the front leg, we're gonna take it back, 2, 3, 4. Now the back leg comes up and 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back, 2, 3, 4 to the front, 2, 3, 4. Take it back, 2, 3, 4 to the front, 2, 3, 4. Take it back, 2, 3, and 4. Nice one, you guys. Okay. Let's put all those moves together, going from our Malaysian step into the reverse air kick. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Malaysian step. Any version that you like or are comfortable with, you can do the simpler one or the more challenging one, it's up to you. So we're gonna start on 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Running man, 2, 3, back step 4, 5, 6, 7, back step 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 2, 3, 4, and reverse, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good job everyone. Now let's put all of those moves together from the top, starting with the running man. So let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it wide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. Back step 4, 5, 6, 7. Back step 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 6, 7, 8. One more time. 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 6, 7, 8. Well done, you guys, and those are your Running Man variations for today. Let me know how you felt about them in the comments, if you found them particularly challenging. Let me know if you prefer a tutorial just talking about one of these movements, or if you'd like separate tutorials for all of these moves. Maybe you would like a more in-depth explanation about them. So let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to give my channel a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on free content just like this. Thank you so much for joining me here today, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.